Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make macaroons. This time I will be using polymer clay and also I will use a mold to create macaroons. I have a video on how to make macaroons without a mold and I will attach a link in the description to this video. So this process is pretty simple. You take a clay of a desired color and then I have this mold to create macaroons, and I just put clay inside the mold. I don't put too much, just a little bit, because you want to create just a half of your macaroon, not the full one. And then I pushed really good, making sure that clay gets in the mold and fills out all those details there, and also making sure that the top part is smooth and even, just like that. Then I put it in the oven to bake for 20 minutes. Now it's baked and ready to be removed from the silicone mold. Okay, they all look nice and have those little rough side that real macaroons have. So everything looks good at this point. If by any chance your macaroon is not even on the bottom, you can take an eraser blade and cut it and make it smooth and even. Next step is making filling. For that, I just took a little bit of white clay, made a little ball, and then took a piece of glass and pressed it. And that's it. And your macaroon is ready. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. See ya!